Alright, good evening class. So we're going to quickly go through the Year 9 IST exam. Now the first thing I want to say is with the extended response there'll be copyright and virtual reality. Now with the extended response I don't want you to prepare for essays. I mean you can see total marks is 10, so each one is worth 5 marks. So be prepared to write 2 paragraphs at the most on each one. Alright, so copyright and then virtual reality, storyboard, so you'll need to create a storyboard, and you'll also need to do concept drawings as well. If you remember that, that's where you draw, what your game or product will look like. Alright, and storyboard is like we've done with animations, is you plan and you draw each different scene. Alright, so that was my main concern. Do your best. Remember, it is worth 10% of your assessment mark, and study as much as you can, and just do your best. I wanted to say something else now, but I've forgotten what I wanted to say. Yeah. So just remember that, if you don't do so well in the exam, it doesn't mean you're not smart. It just means you're not good at exams, I guess. IST is very practical. If you don't do so well in your exam, but you do well in class, the class activities, that's far more important. When you get a job in IT, with computers, you aren't going to be asked to write an exam on what you know. It's about showing what you know. So just remember that. Now with the workbooks, I will be checking the workbooks, even though I'm not here currently. I will be coming back, and so I will be checking all the workbooks. That will be a mark. Your assessment mark will come from that. So I will be checking that next week during the exam period. So make sure that is done. In fact, that's what you should be working on now, making sure it's all completed, and the fill in the blanks and the research parts, and yeah. Alright, all the best guys, and take care.